Hey there and welcome. Linda Varnam here of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. In this short Tai Chi Qigong session, we're going to work with bringing down the day's accumulated tension and shifting that energy into a relaxed state so that you can prepare for a relaxed evening and a good night's sleep. Pause with your breath. Slowly the arms float up in waving hands, sinking down a little as you slide your pelvis back. And just shifting that energy through the body. Now in a nice easy flow, settling things down a little. Pay attention to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Keep the breath natural and easy, just noticing the gentle rhythm of breath and movement together. This can be very calming and soothing. Bring the hands up and expand and open. An expanding chest on mountaintop. Again, just focusing on the gentle movement of your breath, gentle movement in your body coming together. Inhale, exhale. Bring the arms down, sink down a little and gather up. Bringing that energy flow through the whole body, connecting and coming back down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now let your hands just sit in front of the lower dantian. Pause here, scanning through your body, inviting any release and relaxation. Settling your mind down or sinking the chi, bringing your attention down to the lower dantian and away from the busyness of your head. Aware of your breath, in breath, out breath. Now gather into the lower dantian. Hands just sitting gently on the belly. Thanks for joining me for today's session. I hope you feel grounded, centered, and ready for a relaxing evening. Do remember to click on like if you enjoyed this video. Follow Chanvar Yoga Qigong. Go to www.chanvar.com for more information. And while you're there, remember to join the free 3-day practice challenge.